Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to pay for Apollo Group TV using your PayPal account. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Log into PayPal. Start by logging into your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, please sign up first. Step 2. Deposit funds into PayPal. Once logged in, you'll need to deposit funds into your PayPal account. If you haven't linked a debit or credit card yet, head to the Banks and Cards section on the dashboard and either link your debit credit card or bank account. Step 3. Buy Bitcoin using PayPal. Now that your PayPal account is ready, it's time to buy Bitcoin, as we'll be using Bitcoin to pay for Apollo Group TV. 1. From the dashboard, click on the crypto icon. 2. Select Bitcoin, and then click Buy. 3. Choose the amount you want to purchase, for example, $100 worth of Bitcoin. 4. Confirm your payment method and complete the purchase. Step 4. Log into Apollo Group TV. Now go ahead and log into your Apollo Group TV account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up before proceeding. Step 5. Choose your subscription plan. Once logged in, click on Subscriptions from the left menu. Select the subscription plan you want, and you'll be taken to a page with the Bitcoin wallet address for payment. Step 6. Send Bitcoin to Apollo Group TV. Copy the Bitcoin wallet address provided and go back to your PayPal account. Send the exact amount of Bitcoin for the subscription plan, along with any transaction fees. Ensure that the Bitcoin is sent to the correct address. Conclusion. That's all you need to do to pay for Apollo Group TV using PayPal and Bitcoin. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.